In this video, we're going to be working out a real-life problem where we're going to need to solve a multi-step equation in order to get our answer. So here we have the formula D equals 1/2 N plus 26, and it relates the nozzle pressure N in pounds per square inch of a fire hose and the maximum horizontal distance the water reaches, D, in feet. It wants to know how much pressure is needed to reach a fire that is 50 feet away. So our D is our distance, which we know. So we're going to find all of the pieces that we have. So distance, it gave us the distance of the fire. It was 50 feet away. And it says how much pressure is needed. So remember, the pressure is N. So we want to solve for N when D is 50. So the first thing we want to do is, let's see here, so we know that the distance of our fire is 50 feet. So that's supposed to be 50 feet. And we're looking for N. So let's go ahead and let's write down our equation. D equals 1/2 N plus 26. But we get to replace our D with the 50. So here we have 50 equals 1/2 N plus 26. And remember, we're trying to get the N by itself. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of the 26. So we are going to subtract both sides by 26. And we subtract because that's the opposite inverse, or it's our inverse operation rather, of a plus 26. So that's going to get rid of that. And then we can plug 50 minus 26 into our calculator, and we get 24 feet. So we know that 24 equals 1/2 N. From here, there's a couple different ways that you can think of this. You could divide by 1/2 or multiply by the reciprocal 2/1. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. So what if we chose to divide both sides by 1/2? So if I divide by 1/2, because division is the inverse of multiplication, that 1/2 is going to go away. And I can use my calculator to take 24 divided by, I can put in my fraction, 1/2. And I'm going to get the answer 48. So I see that 48 equals our N. Now, just to show you that you could have done it the other way as well, if we had taken our 24 equals 1/2 times N, instead of dividing by 1/2, we had multiplied by its reciprocal, 2/1. That would have crossed off our 1/2s there, and 2 times 24 is 48. And so we still would have ended up having 48 equals N. Okay, so we still get the same answer either way. Okay. So we would say that 48 pounds of pressure per square inch is needed to reach a fire 50 feet away.